Hi, my name is Allie, and I'm the social media coordinator for K18. My hair type is 3A curls, but my hair is pretty thin and I have a lot of it. I express myself through my hair a couple different ways. I get a keratin treatment every 6 months. I usually wear it curly, so that's just brushing my hair and letting it air dry. And then if I'm feeling fun, I'll also blow dry and flat iron my hair. My hair has definitely been exposed to other types of damage. I have hard water where I live, and then also I spend a lot of time outdoors, so UV damage is definitely something I worry about with all the other things that I'm doing to my hair. My K18 at-home routine starts with the pH shampoo. I use that as my regular daily shampoo. It's light and fresh. Then I follow that up with the K18 mask. It helps really define my curls and then obviously repair my hair with everything I'm doing with it. And then after that, I end it with the hair oil. That keeps the flyaways down, the frizz, and it's super lightweight so it doesn't weigh down my curls and I don't have to add a lot of product in after. Before K18, I was always worried about dyeing my hair. I thought that it would, take away from the curl pattern or turn out really dry. And now with K18, I know that I can dye my hair, I could bleach it, I could do anything I want with it because I know that my hair is gonna always be healthy before and after.